Today we are going to be wheel swapping a couple Fast and Furious cars. Let's get into it. That is right. So these are a couple wheel swaps I have been wanting to do for a while. So as you can see, I just got done filming my Supra video. And speaking of Supra, we're going to be wheel swapping the Supra from Too Fast, Too Furious here. So we have, I think this actually is the only release of this car, and it was in this Walmart Fast and Furious set from 2015, I believe. So kind of surprised actually with how popular the Supra is that this is the only version of it that we have. So I do have one back here in the case that is loose already, and then I actually had two more of these sealed. This one kind of a buggered up card here, so I figured we would crack it open. And my plan is to put these gray 10-spoke Real Riders on there. So I'll throw up a picture of the car from the movie, and I think those 10 spokes are going to be looking pretty good on it. And next up, this is not technically a Fast and Furious car, but I think it would be very cool to make this one of the heist cars from the first movie. So it definitely has that vibe to it with the wing, and then you got like the vented hood up front. So I think this just needs some premium wheels, and if it turns out good, then I'll probably end up doing two more to try to get all three. So these are some more wheels I got from Mod My Ride. So these are just some silver 6 spokes, and I'll put up a picture of the movie car here, and we'll see. I think these are going to be fairly close. But first thing to do here is to get these cars open. So funny thing, this black Civic, just mainline, I think is actually goes for like $8 to $10, which is pretty crazy. So this is going to be kind of spendy if we want to do three of these. But yeah, this definitely has the Fast and Furious heist car vibes to it. It's even got the sunroof there that, you know, what Leon or Benz pops up and he shoots the rope through the front glass of the semi trucks, so it'll be perfect for it. And these are the wheels that we will throw on, which I think will look very good. And let's get this Supra out as well. Like I said, very surprised that we haven't seen this car more. The ultimate swap here is if I could get a metal base to put on it, then that would just give it a little more weight. But I think overall the details on this are very nice. Very comparable to one of Brian's Supras here with the hood details. You got the headlights. I mean, yeah, you have all the details on there. So definitely a very nice model. And I think that these Real Rider wheels, whoops, got stuck on there a little bit. I think these are going to take it up to the next level. So I will get these cars drilled. If you want to know more about that, I will put a link down below to my detailed wheel swap video, but I won't bore you with that. I will go and get these drilled out. All right, we got the cars drilled out here, so let's see if they want to come apart nicely or not. Okay, there is the Supra here. This thing's been sitting in its pack all sealed up for quite a long time. And let's get the Honda taken apart. Definitely excited to see how this Honda looks. Okay, and there is the Honda. Oh, what way did this go? I think that is correct. So I'm trying to decide what is that in the back of the Honda there. If you know what that is, let me know, because this is supposed to be like an amplifier, like two big like amplifiers. Oh yeah, you can see the subwoofers there in the back. That's kind of funny. That actually makes it even more fitting for the Fast and Furious cars. So now we will use our cutters and we'll cut these pins off here and get the new wheels in. All right, so we got the little pins out of the way. And like I said, I do have like a 20-minute long like detailed wheel swap video that I will link down below that literally shows the whole entire process from start to finish and has all the parts and stuff needed listed in the description. So it's a great resource if you need it. But now that we have the stock wheels out here, we'll start on the Supra, Throw in its new shoes here, the Real Riders. Those should just pop right back into place. We'll set the interior back on, and that's gonna fall off. All going as planned. Snap the body back on, and there you go. Wow, heck yeah. So I'll throw a couple screws in the bottom. All right, we got it all screwed back together. Man, that just takes the car up a notch, doesn't it? Just the rubber tires, the nice wheels. Dang, yeah, now this thing is looking good. Let's move on to the Honda. So these wheels, they looked a little small, but we'll see how it looks. Might have to maybe try to lower the car once it's all back together, but I'm hoping that it will just look okay. So put the interior in. Windshield's gonna fall out just like that. Okay. And there it is. Oh yeah, that is money. All right, let me get some screws in and then we will take a closer look. So here we are, got all the cars screwed back together and complete, and man, it turned out exactly as I was hoping. Those wheels I think look absolutely perfect as far as the heist cars. I think those wheels even kind of have that like early 2000s like Fast and Furious vibe. Then obviously the Supra with the Real Rider 10 spokes, just looking super clean. So there we go, 2 more modified cars to the Fast and Furious bunch. It really is crazy what just like a simple wheel swap can do for the car. Just, you know, takes it from like a 7 to a 9 or a 10, like for sure. So over here we even got Dom. Dom approves. He's getting ready to hop in, go out, steal some DVD players. So better lock your doors. Just kidding. But I think that is going to do it for today's upload. So like I said, I have been wanting to do these 2 wheel swaps for probably like a year, and I don't know why I never did it. But you have to let me know down below what you think of these wheel swaps. And if you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next upload. Peace.